We got the Rocket Stove XL rolling out of the shop coming at y'all today, going on my man Chris. Now he also got a Fridge 48 offset smoker, but this is gonna be the show pony right here, guys. If you're looking for something, have out on your back patio, take around with you, hang out with all your buddies, have something badass to cook on, put on a show, this is your ticket right here, the Rocket Stove XL. Now we start off with 8-inch tube for our Rocket Stove body, the cool funnel top here. Now we did mount this on our off-road package, got some upgraded wheels and tires on there. We didn't stop there though, we've got a folding shelf on each side here. That folds back down and locks into place if you don't need it up. We got our griddle top on here right now, 1/4-inch plate griddle top. You don't have to use that though, you can take that off. Grab our grill grate right here, 3/8 round bar grill grate. Set that up on there. Boom, you're ready to rock and roll. Come right on the side here, you can see how you tend the fire. Chute number 1, throw your wood charcoal down there. Close it back up. This chute, you got your daisy wheel. Also an ash pan in there for easy clean out. Got our cool fabricated axles front and back. As you can see, we really go all out on these to show off our fabricators in the shop. So guys, y'all know the deal. You need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.